Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel at first and share my videos. Thank you. We look into Ethereum. Um, Look at that. The price fall from 4,000 to 1,780, and now the price is going back to 3,000, and we stay here at 2,400. For Ethereum holders, how can I say, they are in a bad situation because the price fall from 4,000 to 2,000 nearly. We could say nearly $3,000. And if we zoom here very near term, then you can recognize that we have something like that. So we switch to Bitcoin price, then you can understand that better. If you see this here formation, then you can recognize at these levels here, mid of December, we break this formation to the top side, we make here a wonderful rally, and then the price come here back. So um, in my opinion, I think we will come back to these levels again. So we could fall from 40,000 to 20,000. That means if you look to this year, then you recognize that we have here the situation that we could fall uh, at the Bitcoin price from 35,000 levels to 30,000 levels. Then we will test this again, and then we break this down to 20,000. Why I think this? Because if you look to this year, then you can recognize that our trend is to the top side, and you can see we break the trend to the downside. Yeah, it's clear to see we break the trend to the downside here. Yeah? In direction of the downside, and you can see we will test this again and then break this to the downside. What that means for Ethereum, if you look here, you see and think, okay, we have here a wonderful formation here, left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation, but this is not true. We will back here down to 1,700, and after that, the price will recover again to these levels here. Yeah. After that, the price will lose, and go to the downside. Let's check. We have here the problem that the price will drop. Let me check. I have to check first. The price will drop. Let me check. So I think the price will drop to $900. Yeah, in these levels, because we have here a good support. So I think 900, 890. Um, I explain you why I think that we will go at these levels, because if you look to Bitcoin chart, we said okay, the price starts at this level here. Let me check. At 20,000 levels, if you want to know exactly, I think we will fall to 20,000 levels, yeah, because we start here at these levels. So the price will come back here, yeah, and that means if you look here, we break the formation and make this ready to the top side, and I think we will come back to these levels again. And from the timeline, you can see December, mid of December, and you can see what happens here, mid of December. We are at levels of mid of December here. Nearly, we could say 680, 800 levels. So I think I make here a line. I would say 700, the middle of, yeah. Between 600 and 700, the price will go to this levels back. It's hard to say, but it's the true, because if you look to this formation, it's a very negative formation. Yeah. Um, Especially if you, I really not believe myself, but if you look to this formation like Bitcoin and this year, the formation starts here at this level, so I think it will come back. And one negative thing is also at the Ethereum price. Look, we that is not normally. We go from $100 levels, yeah, um, to 4,000, and this is the average of this. If you take the average, look here, 1,000, you have here 4,000. If you look, take the average from them and them, the average is this year. So you can explain what happens if the average is this, then the price is nearly $1,000 or 900. Yeah, so it makes sense. Yeah, it's hard to say, but it makes sense. So after that, I think the price will make a downtrend to this levels here. Yeah. If you look here, if Bitcoin goes from 35,000 to 20,000 or 18,000, this is the half of them, and you can see the price of Ethereum will fall more to 800 or 700. Yeah, makes sense. Look here, the price is coming from 4,000 to 1,600. You're not wondering about this, what I say, because the price is also in the past coming from 4,000 to 1,700, nearly 50% to the downside. So it is fact, and we're not finished at the moment. We're not yet finished. We'll go to the downside. This is fact, and the big move to the downside is coming. Yeah, if you want believe that or not, the big move to the downside is coming. I would say even more, I think 600 or something like that. So if you want more information, please come in the Wealth Exclusive Club. Um, you get there a detailed analysis of these steps here. And if you want really a plan, yeah, in which the price will go here to the top side, then please write me in the Wealth Exclusive Club. Yeah. So have a nice day.